everyone, welcome to another RouterGods video. My name is Humphrey Cheung and we're going to play around with IP host names inside of your Cisco routers. So we've got two routers up. This is our topology 0B, I believe, and our two loopbacks. Everything's all set up. And what I'm going to do is go into router 1. And let's say I want to ping the other router. So I can ping the next hop, 10.10.12.2. And that should ping back, yep. And I don't have OSPF running or any other routing protocols running, so if I try to ping all twos, it will die, right? So what I want to do first is set up OSPF, okay, on both routers, very simple OSPF. And then what I want to do is, instead of typing in ping 2.2.2.2, which is the loopback of router 2 over here, I want to type in R2. Now, how cool would that be? So I want to type in the name of the router and then the IP address will come back. Well, really, this is what host names do, and that's kind of what, DNS does also on the internet. So we're going to set it up. So first order of business, I'm going to bring in Notepad just to make our lives a little bit simpler. So here's Notepad. OSPF is enable conft router OSPF 1. Network, all zeros, area 0. Very, very simple configuration. I'm going to copy that, move Notepad out of the way, bring in my two router windows, erase that junk right there, right click, enter, right click, enter. And in about 10 seconds, or hopefully around 10 seconds, I should get an adjacency message come up. And we're twiddling our thumbs here. Any day now. OSPF is kind of slow. I probably should have changed the timers on the interface before I did this, but that's all right. Okay, well, while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to move router 2 off the window there. Okay, so we might as well set up the host names while we're waiting for the adjacency to come up. Exit, exit. I'll just do a show IP int br just to make sure things are okay. Okay, we've got our adjacencies, show IP route. Try it one more time. We have our O route. Now if I ping all twos, I'm good. Okay. So pretty easy to set up a host name, a static host name on the router. I can go to conft and it's pretty easy. IP host. And then name of the host. So I'm going to do R2. And then the IP address. I can configure some other things there, but IP address will work just fine. So IP host, R2, and then all twos. Gonna exit out of there. Let's see if it works. Ping R2, bam, it is working. Okay, so now let's go to R2 and configure the same IP host name, except pointed back towards R1. So just looking at our diagram here, you can see that R1's loopback is all ones. So IP host, R1, and then all ones. Exit out of there, ping R1, and we have a successful ping. So that's pretty awesome. Let's see if I can do any show commands that will show a list of host names. I'm not really sure if there is hosts. Let's try that. Show hosts. Okay, there we go. Show hosts will show your statically set host names there. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else we could do. Let's see if it is case sensitive. So I'm going to ping capital R1. Okay, so it doesn't appear to be case sensitive. So whether you type R1 lowercase or R1 uppercase, it will still work. All right, so that was a quick and easy way of statically setting your host names on your routers, and that's the command right there, IP host, some name, and then an IP address. This will make your life a lot easier. Thanks for watching.